General Information Review 1 to 30 Par 5. Topic: Environment Management and Protection. 1. Jaywalking, throwing garbage anywhere. Vandalism, not waiting in line, and tardiness are all manifestation of A. Lack of discipline, lack of sense of propriety, lack of punctuality, disorderliness. The answer is A. Lack of discipline. 2. How can we establish sustainable fish supply? A. Using correct size of net. B. Protecting coastal ecosystem. C. Having enough fish ponds. D. Using efficient fishing boat. The answer is B. Protecting coastal ecosystems. 3. What is the most important reason why we segregate waste? A. Profit from recyclable materials. B. Reduce plastic wastes. C. Turn wastes into resources. D. Prevent heavy floods. The answer is C. Turn wastes into resources. 4. A cement industry can cause severe A. Destruction of aquifers. B. Displacement of farmers. C. Pollution of air. D. Destruction of landscapes. The answer is D. Destruction of landscapes. 5. Forests are becoming denuded because of A. Logging. B. Drought. C. Siltation. D. Mining. The answer is A. Logging. 6. The dominant source of air pollution in the urban cities is A. Industries. B. Garbage disposal, domestic sewage. D. Motor vehicles. The answer is D. Motor vehicles. 7. How should we recycle glass bottles? A. Compost it. B. Bury it. C. Reuse it. D. Wait for garbage collector to pick up. The answer is C. Reuse it. 8. An environment impact assessment ensures that A. Our natural resources are priced correctly. B. A project is financially viable. C. A project has no negative environment impact. D. The negative impact mitigated. The answer is C. A project has no negative environment impact. 9. The ozone layer is vital in the preservation of life on Earth because it protects us from the harmful effects of A. Infrared rays. B. Ultraviolet rays. C. Visible spectrum. D. Gamma rays. The answer is B. Ultraviolet rays. 10. What is the main function and importance of forests? A. They provide oxygen. B. They are good sources of timber. C. They are rich sources of water. D. They serve as habitat to wildlife. The answer is D. They serve as habitat to wildlife. 11. Why planting variety of crops on a piece of land is more advisable than planting only one kind of crop? A. Market risks are lessened. B. The soil is enriched. C. Use of land area is maximized. D. Vulnerability to plant pests is less. The answer is B. The soil is enriched. 12. Watersheds are important because A. Of its aesthetic value. B. They sustain water supply. C. They increase land area. D. They prevent soil erosion. The answer is B. They sustain water supply. 13. Which of the following is considered a renewable source of energy? A. Kerosene. B. Gasoline. C. Natural gas. D. Biogas. The answer is D. Biogas. 14. The main purpose of sorting out garbage. A. Prepare garbage for special garbage treatment. B. Separate things that can be sold. C. Separate things that do not decay or burn. D. Enable recycling or reuse. The answer is D. Enable recycling or reuse. 15. Coral reefs are essential for A. Ocean current. B. Natural beauty. C. Growing fish and small aquatic animals. D. Divers and fishers. The answer is C. Growing fish and small aquatic animals. 16. What is the biggest threat to biodiversity? A. Overhunting of endangered species. B. Overexploitation of resources. C. Introduction of alien species in the ecosystem. D. Rising incidence of pest infestation. The answer is B. Overexploitation of resources. 17. Which of the following best describes rainforests? A. Forest in the tropics, forest in the uplands. C. Forest on a mountain slopes, forest where precipitation often occurs. The answer is A. Forest in the tropics. 18. Fishery resources in marine and coastal waters may be considered as open access resources because of the A. Mobile nature of fish and water. B. Difficulty in marking sea boundaries. C. Overfishing in municipal waters. D. Proliferation of fish fence. The answer is A. Mobile nature of fish and water. 19. Throwing papers into the river is harmful because A. Paper will add to the biological oxygen demand. B. Paper is non-biodegradable. C. Paper is eaten by fish. D. Paper is toxic. The answer is C. Paper is eaten by fish. 20. Which of the following is the major cause of coral reef destruction? A. Sewage pollution. B. Dynamite fishing. C. Muroami. D. Oil spill. The answer is A. Sewage pollution. 21. This heavy metal is emitted by gasoline fuel vehicles and is a potentially poisonous substance that is particularly harmful to children. According to the World Health Organization, inhalation of this substance can severely affect a child's behavior and decrease intelligence quotient among children with high levels of concentration on blood and bone marrow. This metal is A. Cadmium. B. Iron. C. Lead. D. Silver. The answer is C. Lead. 22. Farmers choose to plant in uplands and mountains because A. Insecurity of tenure in the lowland. B. Pollution in the urban areas. C. The cooler climates. D. The more fertile soils in the forest area. The answer is D. The more fertile soils in the forest area. 23. We can protect the watershed through A. Draining wetlands. B. Dredging river. C. Planting trees. D. Kangen system. The answer is C. Planting trees. 24. In terms of industry classification, which of the following is not considered major air pollution in subsector industry? A. Timber harvesting. B. Cement. C. Basic metal processing. D. Chemical and petrochemicals. The answer is A. Timber harvesting. 25. Chlorofluorocarbons are popular as propellants and insulting agents because they are A. Reactive. B. Soluble. C. Stable. D. Cheat. The answer is A. Reactive. 26. Hospital wastes are disposed through A. Burying, recycling, compost pitted, incineration. The answer is D. Incineration. 27. Can protect rainforests in such a long time? A. NGOs, government, indigenous people, environmentalist. The answer is C. Indigenous people. 28. Marine fishes are negatively affected by this method due to the fact that they spend part of their life cycle upstream. A. Putting dams along rivers. B. Expansion of rivers. C. Making rivers deeper. D. Cleaning river streams. The answer is A. Putting dams along rivers. 29. The lasting environmental impact of a large-scale mining is A. Water pollution. B. Air pollution. C. Chemical pollution. D. Mine tailings. The answer is D. Mine tailings. 30. The worst effect of denuded forest deforestation. A. Global warming. B. Inhabited animals. C. Soil erosion. D. Flood. The answer is C. Soil erosion. What's your score? Let me know in comment section. Next vlog. Vocabularies. Please subscribe for more vlog about CSE review. Thank you and good luck.